In this era of technology, our cars are getting smarter every day and make our ride efficient and comfortable. But not every ride can be comfortable or safe due to lack of some car gadgets, as they provide comfort and many unique features to make our ride convenient and safe, to keep our phones charged and keep a stable view for proper navigation. That's why you need VanMa's wireless car charger mount. A unique car charger that combines charger with a phone holder in one unit to make your phone charging experience convenient while driving. The VanMa's car charger mount comes in 10 watt and 15 watt, two different output versions to match your fast charging needs. The 15 watt version comes with a QC 3.0 enabled charger, while you need to get one for the 10 watt version. It comes with an adaptive smart chip that intelligently identifies the charging device and delivers accurate amount of power to achieve optimal charging. Equipped with a motor sensor, the arms automatically close and grips your phone, while the phone is attached to the holder. To release the phone, you just have to press release buttons on any side, then the clips will automatically open. You can easily attach it to your car windshield with the help of suction cup. It comes with adjustable arm and 360-degree joint ball that allows you to find the most suitable angle for safe driving. You can also attach it to the car air vent with its ventilation holder. This car charger mount is compatible with any Qi-enabled smartphones and it is suitable for 4 to 6.5-inch smartphone so that you can use any smartphone without any hassle. Driving. While driving, it's really important to keep a view of your surroundings to ensure safety for you and your car. That's why you need THINKWARE U1000. A unique and powerful dash cam built to keep record of your surroundings while you are driving. It comes with both front and rear cam, which are equipped with 8.4 megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor that lets you shoot detailed footage in 4K 30 frames per second on the front cam and 2K 60 frames per second on the rear cam. This dashcam offers uncompromised video coverage with a 150-degree viewing angle, ensuring you never miss a moment while driving. Equipped with super night vision technology, this dashcam is capable of providing crystal clear images with reduced noise even at night. It features anti-file corruption technology, which improves the reliability of your THINKWARE memory card by minimizing the risk of lost footage due to bad blocks and data corruption. The THINKWARE U1000 can be your perfect companion on the road and it records videos of your surroundings while you stay focused on the road. Introducing BESTEK Power Inverter, a powerful and compact car inverter which keeps you prepared for any road trip. With its 300-watt continuous DC to AC power delivery system, you can charge your devices with its 110-volt AC outlet and two 2.4-ampere USB ports for powering USB-compatible devices. It is equipped with an advanced smart identification technology which allows its dual USB ports to automatically detect your device type and deliver optimal current for each port and ensure high-speed charging for your devices without damaging them. It features a superior all-round protection system for your car and your devices, which gives protection against short-circuit, low load, overheating, overvoltage, overload, and overcharge for your peace of mind. It comes with durable cigarette lighter and CNC processed durable alloy housing, which ensures high durability and long lifespan, while its integrated super silent cooling fan helps to reduce noise and dissipate heat to provide you a sturdy and comfortable usage experience. Weighing in just 1.45 pounds, the BESTEK 300-watt power inverter is super compact and lightweight, which makes it ideal for any car trip as it can run or charge devices that depends on 110-volt power input like MacBook, laptop, smartphone, and car air cooler. As our days get more busier, it's becoming more and more difficult to keep our cars clean, to have a fresh drive every time. To clean up your car's interior quickly, you need Dyson V7 Car, a powerful handheld vacuum cleaner built to provide you with optimum cleaning experience. Powered by Dyson Digital Motor V7, this vacuum cleaner can generate up to 100 air watts of suction power so that you can easily clean your car's interior without any hassle. It comes with a hygienic dirt ejector that hygienically drives out trapped dust and debris in single action so that you don't have to get your hands dirty. It also comes with a 15-gallon dirt storage to store all the dirt away. This vacuum comes included with multiple tools, which are car charger, mini motorized tool and extension hose, which ensures you can reach any tight spaces of your car for optimum cleaning experience. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, this vacuum can provide cleaning experience for up to continuous 30 minutes without stopping. And as it is cordless and portable, you can easily use it anywhere of your car. We all face difficulties while cleaning our car, especially when cleaning tight spaces. But with the Dyson V7 Car handheld vacuum cleaner, you can do that in an efficient way. We all struggle to find the perfect surface in our car to have a stable working experience. That's why you need GripMaster 01 by Xxxx, a portable desk built to enhance your productivity in your car. It comes with a non-skid work surface, which is ideal for writing or keep your phone or other devices while the vehicle is moving. It features a pull-out writing surface with built-in clipboard that lets you clip on any type of paper and conveniently write without any hassle. This desk offers a spacious storage compartment where you can keep and organize files, books, maps, pens, and other supplies easily. Weighing at around 17 pounds, this desk is super compact in size, which allows it to fit in any type of car and enhance your productivity. If you lead a very busy work life and like to work while being stuck in a jam or just in a vehicle, then the Xxxx GripMaster 01 is the right choice for you. What could be worse than a dead battery on your Monday morning trip to office? Frustrating, right? That's why you need Beat It B10, a powerful jump starter for your car. With a massive peak power of 800 ampere, it can jump start flat batteries up to 20 times on a single charge and works with all 12-volt battery cars so that you can use it on any vehicle without any worry. Equipped with a 12,800 mAh power bank, it comes with dual 5-volt 10-watt USB output and a 5-volt Type-C output, allowing you to charge your smartphone or other devices very easily. With the help of advanced QDSP technology, this jump starter is durable enough to withstand challenging temperatures, especially in extremely cold weather, to jumpstart vehicles in 1 to 3 seconds. Plus, it's built 3 times stronger and reliable than any other product. It comes with Beat It exclusive extended jumper cables, which solve the problem of having short cables and makes jumpstart more convenient and freer. It has built-in integrated voltmeter on jumper cables that reads the battery voltage of the vehicle's battery for enhanced diagnostics of the battery state. Every day we use cars as our daily transportation, but your everyday car ride can turn into an emergency situation at any moment's notice. That's why you need To Be Safe, a 6-in-1 emergency car tool that can be your lifesaver in any emergency situation. It comes with 2 charging ports. One can deliver 1.2 volt of power, while the other one can provide 2.4 volt of power and can charge 2 devices simultaneously, which ensures your devices always stay charged up in the time of need. This EDC tool comes with a built-in 2200 mAh power bank that can provide essential power supply in time of an emergency. This tool features a flashlight with 2 modes, which can generate 50 lumens of brightness in low mode for 20 hours and 135 lumens of brightness in high mode for 4 hours. It also can be used as a beacon light for straight 28 hours. It comes with a patented pin, which you can use to break glass of your car if needed, and comes with a seatbelt cutter with protective cap, so that you can free yourself in time of collision or accident. Most of us struggle to carry all our luggage in one go while going on a family outdoor trip. With the help of Thule Motion XT Rooftop Cargo Carrier, as it offers more space and allows you to easily carry your stuff on any outdoor trip. It comes in a low-profile roof-mounted cargo box size where it offers 6 cubic feet of additional packing space and can handle a maximum payload of up to 165 pounds. Weighing at around 55 pounds, it's designed for optimal space efficiency, aerodynamics, and vehicle fit, which enables you to use it on any vehicle's roof without any hassle. This carrier's quick lock system locks in securely when properly mounted, which provides a secure feel and allows you to drive with peace of mind. It features dual side opening for quick access from either side of the car, allowing you to easily get your belongings on and off the carrier without breaking a sweat. You can fit in 5 to 7 pairs of skis and 3 to 5 snowboards and easily carry them on any outdoor trip for fun and adventure. Tired of getting into heated car after you parked it in sunshine? Or worried about snow or fallen objects on your car? Then you need Land Motor Pro 4-season automatic car tent, a unique tent that can keep your car protected in any weather condition. This 4-season car tent measures 4.8 meter by 2.3 meter in size, which allows you to cover the main body of most of the cars, including sedans, SUV, and many more. Thanks to its sturdy architecture and fiberglass materials, as this car tent can keep your car safe from daily damages, so that you don't have to worry about snow, wind, storm, hail, and falling objects. You can use a car tent as a car parking shade, as it can protect your car from hot heat and keep your car temperature lower up to 36 degrees Celsius. Made from 3-layer PU silver-coated Oxford cloth, this car tent is 100% waterproof and keeps your car away from acid rain, bird droppings, dust, or leaves. This tent has a windproof design which allows it to withstand winds up to 30 miles per hour, while its anti-theft design keeps everything safe. If you are on the market for an automatic car tent for your car that can keep your car well protected in every situation, then the Land Motor Pro 4-season automatic car tent is the right choice for you. While driving, it's important to keep track of your surroundings for security purposes and ensure safety. That's why you need Cobra Road Scout, a 2-in-1 radar detector and dashcam built to provide safety on the road. It comes with a 1080p HD camera with 154-degree FOV that records the surroundings in razor-sharp clarity as you drive, and comes with night vision to provide you clear footage even at night. Equipped with Police radar detector technology that uses digital signal processing to detect laser, live patrol, and speed traps with pinpoint accuracy. It features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity that allows you to connect it to iRadar app. The Cobra Road Scout can send essential notifications on your smartphone, including speed trap notifications, red light, and speed camera location with GPS-based laser-precise alerts. The app also allows you to view, share, and edit videos according to your need. This dashcam has a built-in graphic color display where it shows current status in real time and comes with a 16GB SD card, where it stores all of your videos and ensures you never miss a moment and allows you to view them later for future use. So that was all about the top 10 car gadgets for you.